Hello, welcome to my channel on Homeopathic. If you have not subscribed to the channel now. The purpose of my study is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your paper before taking any medicine. Self-treatment will always be injurious. Today, you will learn a few important symptoms of the medicine Alba, which may be very helpful in our daily life. So please like and share this video. Now let us go to the video. Medicine Bryonia Alba and Keynotes by Dr. Sita Raman. lives are the dark